Euro dollar, it's dropping. And the question is, how do we know that it's time for a retracement on the euro dollar? The dollar is gaining strength against the Japanese yen as well. Here we see it's been trading higher for the last how many months? Now, since 2020. It's been trading higher. Oh, not 2020. 2016. Ooh la la. Started trading lower, higher since something like 2011. It's still buying. Now, the question is, as a scalper, someone looking for 50 pips a day, 10 pips a day, these are the things you should consider. Now in here, when you see we have black candles on a daily, I would be interested in selling this other than buying this here. Listen to me carefully. I'll be interested in the Japanese yen than this. Okay, I don't want to find price already taking its direction, then I join. Because sometimes there are retracements, sometimes there are so many things that are going to be, I don't want to be caught up, okay? I don't want to be caught up in the middle. I'll be interested in the Japanese yen. Why? Let me show you why. You see we have these black candles here. Now, this shows me that sellers or buyers are now trying to take over, okay? This is too expensive, so they want to sell. I'll be interested in this. It's been trading since 2011, and now I see that traders, okay, buyers or sellers are getting interested in this currency pair. Now, on a daily time frame, as usual, I didn't want to bring up these lines yet, but it's okay. Let me first delete that. Now we see we traded below these relatively equal lows here on a daily. These two. What does this mean? We have this green candle here, okay, that I wouldn't want to look at yet. After this green candle, we close below these two lows here. What does this one show me? Willingness to sell. We have buyers or sellers interested. Okay, they've looked at this and they're like, this is too expensive. It's time for us to at least take it at least somewhere. Okay, at least 200 pips, 400 pips or 500 pips. Just like we saw, the euro dollar drop 500 pips. Now, price action. The weekly bias. The weekly bias. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. When is this? This is a Wednesday. Then Thursday will be here. Then Friday will be here. Just like I told you, I don't want to get myself involved in this yet before I start seeing, green candles on a daily. I want to see green candles on a daily chart. The Japanese yen, 15 minutes time frame. What do we have for the 15 minutes time frame? The weekly bias. What do I want to see? I want to see the weekly low form on a Tuesday. Here we are. Now, do your analysis on a higher time frame. Then on a lower time frame, what exactly are you looking for? You're looking for imbalances, you're looking for institutional levels and candles. Why did we have that low form on Tuesday? Very simple. below this low, there is an institutional level, or maybe there is, an institutional candle right here. Green, huge red candle, then boom, trades higher. Comes back here on this day. It doesn't take it out yet. We leave this low here. Inside this candle, what do we have? Do we have an institutional level somewhere? Yes, we have the 0 level here. Do I mark that out? Definitely. I will mark the 0 and click OK. Time and price. Let's travel back in time and see. So price comes to this level. What time of the day? Now 1800 hours or 6 p.m. New York time on a Tuesday. It comes in this area. This candle starts to trade higher. This is what I want to see. It's an uptrend, yes. But I want to see this. Where is price heading to? Well, this is a small retracement that might form to either run below these lows here, then push higher, okay, trade higher for Thursday's distribution. This is the accumulation. We need to see a tiny manipulation somewhere, maybe on a Thursday, then the distribution on Friday. Okay, but I want to see this on a Tuesday, the weekly low on a Tuesday, because you see the reason as to why price traded high. Came in this level, reached here and shot higher. Why am I expecting price to drop faster, okay, than it went higher? I'm expecting price to drop, okay, to have long candles, okay, only long candles trading lower. That is what I'm expecting on this pair. Where do I want to see price trade to? Well, I want to see price at least trade above these highs here. Okay, you see these highs? What do we have here? Relatively equal highs. I want to see at least price trade above these highs. Time and price matters. Okay, this is the USD JPY. On a Thursday or Friday, I want to see price run above these highs to come at least to this other institutional level right there. Let me add the line, at least there. Okay, price runs above this. I want to see it at least to that institutional level. Between midnight New York time and 11 o'clock in the morning New York time, I want to be watching this price. The euro dollar 15 minutes chart. We've been trading lower and lower and lower for the last so many years. So interesting to see that on a 15 minutes chart we have a retracement already. What day? Wednesday. Now the weekly bias, the Wednesday will form the weekly low. Just like I told you, I won't be interested in the euro dollar yet, because on a daily I don't see anything like a green candle. I want to see a green candle on a daily chart for me to get interested in this. I don't want to chase price. You buy here, you're out here. You sell here, you're out around here. Okay, I want to see price give me at least a green candle on a daily. Now if you want to still sell this for 50 pips or 20 pips, we have this imbalanced zone here. Price could actually trade to this area and trade lower on a Thursday maybe. Okay, it could trade lower on a Thursday or Friday. but I don't want to be interested in this here, whether it's giving me 1,000 pips. The rules are, I want to see a green candle on a daily. Why do I want to see a green candle? I want to see willingness. Okay, I want to see bulls join this market. I want to see a weekly high or low form on a Tuesday, just like we had this year. On a Tuesday, I want to see a weekly low form on a Tuesday. But the euro dollar, I won't bother myself. I will still do the analysis on a daily, but I want to see a green candle. This imbalance won't scare me because anything can happen in the Forex market. No one has a strategy that wins every single time they place a trade. USD JPY, I want to see at least price trade to this level, above these highs to this level. Time and price will depend. Okay, what time of the day? Now there is the other thing that I want to show you. What else am I looking for before entering the market and doing the magic? I want to look for news as well. Okay, the economic calendar. Oh, la 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 la. It's the calendar here. I'm just getting a little bit confused, but it's not anyway. Investing.com, then the economic calendar. I'm looking at, do we have news on a Thursday, which is tomorrow? Oh, now let's go for this week, the whole week, because I want to look for Thursday. Do we have news on the Japanese yen? Do we have news on the Japanese yen? Thursday. Voila. We have news on the Japanese yen on Thursday. Why did I just talk about? I'm waiting for price to take those relatively equal highs on Thursday. And we have news on Thursday. Folks, this is how we have also news here. You know, the pound also has news, but I haven't made my analysis on the pound yet. But I'm looking forward to having one on this pair. But I'm more interested on the Japanese yen. Friday, do we have news on the Japanese yen? No, we don't. If I scroll here, no, we don't. Okay. So, folks, on Thursday, we're expecting a strong move on the Japanese yen. We have news at what time? We have news at exactly now. This data hasn't been released yet, but in 10 hours, let's see what we have here. They haven't specified the time, but I'm going to look for, what exactly am I going to look for? I'm going to look for price between midnight New York time and 11 o'clock in the morning New York time. Where do I want to see price go on a Thursday when we have news? I want to see at least price trade above these highs here. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Price trading above these highs. Something really happened here. We traded in this zone here. Okay, the imbalanced zone, we haven't taken that out. So I'm looking at price trading above this high, then boom, here on a Thursday. So let's see what happens next. No one has a strategy that wins 100%. Otherwise, every other person, every other trader will be profitable or rich. But I love using the word profitable. We are all doing this because this is what price does. Okay, this is what price does. So I'll look for these highs on a Thursday. If they're taken out, what price range am I looking at? I'm looking at an institutional level. If you go back to a 5 minutes chart, if you don't find anything on this level on a 15 minutes chart, please use a lower time frame. So here we see above these highs, we also have these highs here. Do I want to see price trade above here? Possibly. To which level? Maybe the 20 level. Okay, on a lower time frame. I'm not saying that this is what will happen, but I am looking at price doing the same thing, taking maybe this other high out. Time and price. Where are we trading to? Do we have an institutional candle anywhere around here? Most definitely I have this institutional candle here. So I'll be looking at this candle to take price lower. I'll be looking at this zone here to push price lower. That is if price trades above that high. I'll be looking at price trading in this area here to push price lower. How many pips am I looking for on a Thursday? Maybe, oh, this thing has already done it here. It was where they traded to this, so I don't think we shall be focusing on that. So I want to see price trade above these highs, then we trade lower on a Thursday. I'm looking for Thursday and Friday. So as usual, let's stop this video from here to create room for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the Telegram group. We discuss more about this. Remember, the euro dollar is trying to give us a tiny retracement, which I'm not focusing on this green candle on a 15 minutes chart to buy on demo, because we are all doing these things, back testing our strategies on demo. So I also advise you to do the same on your demo accounts. So let's stop this video from